What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Took a couple of trades today, and one of them was an A setup. Check it out. Well, guys, it's Friday, and the long weekend is here. I took two trades today. We're going to go over both of those here in the charts. And see what happened here. Now, one of them was actually panning out great. It was an A setup. At least for me, it was. We'll go over the reasons why it was an A setup. We'll analyze the volume. We'll analyze the chart. We'll look at the daily levels. We'll look at the profits, targets, and the stop losses. And I'll show you, everything step by step. And you'll see how that trade turned out. Now, what I want you to do for me is stick with the video, watch it all the way through. And at the end of the video, if you found value, if you learned something, or if you just liked the content, smash the like button for me. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. Also, in the description and comment section, you have a 5-day trial to the daytraderchatroom.com. Make sure you click that and check it out. Now let's go ahead and jump into the charts. All right, guys, let's jump into this recap here on the day and go over everything. So today's Friday, Friday, usually one of the hardest trading days of the week because volume dries up a little bit quicker. But this Friday is extra special because Monday the market is closed. So that means volume would tend to dry up even faster because people want to break off into their long weekend and enjoy, right? That's usually what you see happen. So, today started off with the watch list. And now let me grab that watch list real quick here for you and I will show it to you. So today's watch list. The very first thing we did today was go over the market briefing, and then we went over the Ethereum. Ethereum is actually amazingly kicking some serious butt right now. Ethereum, we got long in the swing trade here in the 3100s. We're already up here in the 3900s. I have not taken any profit yet. Volume is increasing nicely. First take profit zone for me is going to be up here in that $4,200 area probably, and then I'm holding on to some for extensions. So congratulations to those who have followed along the Ethereum trade here at the daytraderchatroom.com. It goes to show you that trading these patterns can be used across the board. It's not solely just for stocks. Now, guys, don't forget, these are the scanners I use every single day. All right, every single day. These gap scans, the Hyatt day scan, I use these every single day. And right now, Trade Ideas has a coupon code for 20% off. All right, and this special is going to end on September 6th. I'm going to leave the coupon code with my link in the description, in the comment section, actually, not in the description section. I'm going to leave it in the comment section for you. These scanners are intense. I'm talking about intense. If you want me to do a full-on review, I'll do one here pretty soon if you like. So let me know. Here is the daytraderchatroom.com dashboard with the watch list for today, Friday. ARDX, APOP, FTFT, ROVR were the ones I had on watch this morning. So with those on watch, I decided to, obviously fine-tune them, which ones I like the best and stuff like that, right? So if you want to get our daily watch list free in your inbox and our weekly watch list, I'll show you what the weekly one looks like. Boom. This is what you get for free in your inbox. Just sign up. There's a link in the description section and comment section of the video, and you can just sign up here and you'll get our weekly watch list and you'll get our daily watch list as well completely for free in your inbox if you're watching this on YouTube. All right, guys. So this morning we had all those on watch, and then my first trade of the day was on FTFT. FTFT, really quickly here, I came in here and got long on the first pullback. Why? Well, because we have broken through this $3 zone that was previously resistance, support, resistance, 100-day moving average area. So we broke through it on what? Very nice volume. And then we had a pullback into it right here. Boom, we had that pullback on a little bit of decreasing volume, right? We had a little bit of decreasing volume here. And right here, we started to hold and we got long. And, I actually added to my position there to regular size. And I was looking for the first take profit up here. Didn't come, got stopped out right here as we violated the support zone. and cut it. It was no big deal, just a regular L, and I moved on with with my day. Now the next one that was making a lot of noise was ENVB. ENVB, awesome U shape here, breakthrough VWAP, broke through that 250 zone, and then we broke through this 270 zone. This 270 zone, look at this, resistance, resistance, resistance again, right? Support in the past, and a little bit of resistance back here. So with that level being of importance and lining up just above that 200-day moving average, I said to myself, well, if we break through 200-day moving average and we get a good increase in volume and we break through that 270 area with a good increase in volume, this stock is going to have tremendous potential. Now that 200-day moving average is in the 267 area, and where is it? Right here, we broke through that level on this candle right here on the biggest volume of the day. Bang. I was like, bet this area should hold support on pullbacks. So I threw out my Fibonacci levels. Let's scroll back to what we were seeing at the time. We're getting that nice pullback. Okay, boom, you can see that there. You're getting decreasing volume. So now, what do you have? You have VWAP, the 9 EMA right there. Not much of a fib level, but you do have the fibs here in the 265 to 38.2. Okay, but we begin to hold that daily level and that 9 EMA VWAP zone on a low volume pullback. This is an A setup. A setup. So right in this candle here, I get long. Right in that candle there, I get long at $2.77 with the stop just underneath this 265 area. And then the next candle right here, we have a little bit more of a pullback, and then bang, right up here, I take a piece of profit off at 286, taking some profits, and then I put out orders on the ask right around 294, I think it was, that I put my first take profit, my second take profit, and then I had more take profits above 310. Why that? Well, right here simply on the daily, you can see past resistance in that 313 area. Okay, so just above 310, I put out a take profit, and then boom, we get that drop, and I'm like, wow, bro. But this is exactly why we always take a piece of profit off as we push in case we double top. In case we double top. And we had a very nice, increase in volume on that attempt. This looked extremely bullish. Beautiful low volume pullback into support. Awesome bounce off of the support level on big volume, just not enough to break through. And it's a very disappointing sign to see such a good setup fail. And we've seen a lot of good setups fail recently. So I took that L there, and now what I want to show you here is a bunch of similar setups. Look at this. Pullback, decreasing volume, nice little bounce, boom, extension higher. Again, another one. Oh, it disappeared on me. Come on, where'd it go? There it is. So you got the pullback. Let's zoom in a little bit. Pullback, decreasing volume, push higher, nice volume on the bounce. Higher, higher, higher. Beautiful, very similar setup, right? I got another one for you, don't worry. You got the U shape, you got the U shape. You got the extension higher. You got the pullback on low volume, pullback, low volume. You got the bounce to the highs on big volume, bounce to the highs on big volume, extension, rejection. Very disappointing to see that happen, but that's the name of the game. So I ended up getting stopped out there on that one as well. So here you are, long FTFT 307, stop $3 area, sold out 298, long ENVB 277, stop under 265, taking some profits 286. Then I lost the internet, but I quickly got on the phone with Jonal, the host, and the daytraderchatroom.com admin, and told him to let you guys know that my stop still remained the same, just because I only took my first take profit. I didn't have a second take profit. Usually after the second take profit is when I up my stop. Sold out the remainder at 263. All right, so that was it right there. Now, what are the poll results, you might ask, today here at the daytraderchatroom.com? Well, Here you go. 66% of traders are green, 33% are red. Good job managing risk, green team, and ending the week on a green note. All right, guys. So that kind of concludes the recap and little lesson here on the morning, guys. Well, guys, that's it for me today. Gonna go ahead and jump onto the boat and go do a little fishing. Hope you enjoy the weekend and the long weekend. I'll catch you all on Tuesday.